Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce Hakka noodles updated. Start by boiling 200 g Hakka noodles until al dente, drain and toss with a little oil to prevent sticking. Sauté sliced carrots, bell peppers, and cabbage until crisp tender, then set aside. Make a smooth white sauce with butter, flour, and milk, seasoning with salt and white pepper. Combine sauce, vegetables, and noodles, toss gently, and finish with chopped spring onions and a squeeze of lemon. To make the white sauce, melt butter over medium heat and whisk in flour to create a smooth roux. Cook the roux briefly until it smells nutty but not browned, then slowly pour in 300 ml milk while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Simmer the sauce until it coats the back of a spoon, then season with salt, white pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg. Keep the sauce warm while you prepare everything else. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. On another note, I love these leak-proof containers because they keep leftover white sauce Hakka noodles neat and easy to carry for lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick them up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Bring the dish together by adding drained noodles and sautéed vegetables to the pan with the warm white sauce, tossing gently to coat each strand evenly. If the sauce thickens too much, add a splash of reserved pasta water to loosen it to a silky consistency. Taste and adjust salt or pepper as needed, then finish with chopped spring onions and a squeeze of lemon for freshness. Serve immediately while warm and creamy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.